Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change dark mode to light in laptop or PC. So let's get into the video. Once you're there, right click on your mouse or PC and then go to personalize. And here you can see an option background. Then go to, and here you can see colors. Go there. Then you can see an option dark, or you can choose your color. Just click on the drop down box and change it to light. And yeah, your dark mode is turned off in Windows. It was pretty quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. And we will see you in the next video.